property is the greatest investment.
Yeah.
You know, hence now I am obsessed.
Because you just bought a house cash.
When someone says invest in property, you're like, this is gonna be like this forever.
Okay.
You know, when I would prioritize shopping for an expensive bag versus paying the bond.
Oh.
You know, I had to sell the house.
Okay.
And then I think I was fortunate because I had to sell the house and then get profit to sustain me, go rent somewhere. Me being broke then was that I've always been sober. You know, when I say sober, like I've never taken drugs. And that's one thing I'm so proud of. I wish I could say I'm a virgin. That's one thing that I pride myself in. I've never taken drugs. I've never been influenced by anything that you put in for me to lose the money. I was never kicked out. I had a car repossessed, but at least by then I had 3 cars or 2 cars then, So one repossessed, I've never been careless. So
then you're not broke, so
no, times are hard.
how are they